everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and check out this table. Believe it or not, there's a table in here from Truckology. This is going to be a nice little camping table for you to set your drinks on. So instead of setting them on the ground or anything else you want to set, you need something really small because you're backpacking. This weighs hardly anything, a few pounds, and it's this small. It comes in this nice bag too that has a little drawstring here. And we can go ahead, and it's 2 pieces in here. You're going to have your base and then your tabletop. This will be your tabletop here. And this is nice construction, a nice metal table there. And then you have some legs here with some nice rubber feet. So we can go ahead and expand this as so. You do have these arms here that will fold and lock into place. So it gives you the exact width that you need. And now you have it. So that's your base. And then you have these teeth here that we can lock in. The table is like an accordion, so we can go ahead and pop this into place and do it on the ground. That's like so. Oh, we got to push this down more. There we go. That's it. There you have it. You have your nice self, a nice sturdy. I mean, this is on level ground, but again, you can see here, if I find a nice spot, this is solid. Like, you can put some serious weight on that. I wouldn't stand on it, but your drinks and plates and food, more than plenty to have a little surface to just put your stuff on, even cook on it. You know, like you could put a little grill on here and cook as well. So really cool table from Truckology. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review.